kind of damage.
Every little thing, but I know that we need to like kind of make sure that we're checks and balances, that we don't put anything out that says final on it that doesn't, meet up to what we.
Sailor hats, like huge hats with spirals. And so anyways, Demi and Dad got a drink and they chugged it, and it tastes like muddy water. You're just supposed to drink it to relax and drink, and then after you drink it, you put the pineapple. So I didn't want to eat
Money. That's not money you took. Your check was only $312. Your last check.
Opened it.
Yeah, I'm putting it in my bank account to cover $550 I spent for you on your plane ticket.
You're not. You spent $470 on your plane ticket.
No. The baggage were $23 each way. It was $510 for your plane ticket.
No, it wasn't. $470. You want to check right now? Take it out.
Ella, after leaving at 6 o'clock, I said, what'd you do since 11? Pretty much nothing.
I was so pissed off.
I did a multiplayer
They
flight
told
with
me
Guy.
the people